welcome back to the Strum and Sing challenge. Today we are on day 3 of 4 and we're going to learn line 3 of the song that we've been working on. So let me show you what that sounds like. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. So we only have 2 chord switches to learn today, and that may seem like it's not a lot, but when you think about adding it to the first 2 lines, then that's quite a bit that we're doing. So our strums go like this. We have a strum, and then we say birds, and we're gonna strum with birds. So we have strum alone, and then birds. Birds. And then we have a strum on singing. So it'll sound like this. Birds singing. And our final strum of this chord is with the words in the. So in the. So it's birds singing in the. So you have 4 strums total, 1 alone, and then birds singing in the. Again, ready from the strum alone, go. Birds singing in the. And you should actually stop real quick and look up at my hand. Just look at my hand and look how it's moving. Birds singing in the. If you're doing this with me, you're already doing up strums. Maybe you're not touching the ukulele, but the motion is already there. So if you can put your hand to the strings and start doing the ups, oh, that'll be so amazing. So let me show you first. Look up, look up, look up, look up, look up. Thank you. And I did it wrong. So this is what I want. If you can, if you're ready. Birds singing in the. Again. And birds singing in the. Again, ready, go. Birds singing in the. If you're not there yet, totally cool. Just give me the down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Birds singing in the. Again, 2 more times. Ready, go. Birds singing in the. 1 more time. Ready, go. Birds singing in the. And now we go to an F minor. If your F minor isn't fitting, make sure that your fingers are not parallel. Make sure that you pivot all the way up to make room for that middle finger to fit. So here we're gonna strum on sycamore tree. So sycamore tree. So the word tree doesn't have a strum, so be very, very careful. Again, ready, go. Sycamore tree. Again, ready, go. Sycamore tree. Here, the most challenging part of line 3 really is switching from F, and look up, look up, look up, F to F minor. So if you can do this without strumming first, F, F minor, F, F minor, F, F minor, because what we're doing really is not just juggling strumming and singing. We're reading lyrics, we're reading chords, we're strumming and we're singing, and we're also changing the chord hand. That's a lot. So if you struggle with singing and strumming, that's because it's more than just those 2 things. Like at least 5 things are happening. So the line will sound like this. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. So there is a strum after tree. 1, 2, the whole line. 1, 2, you got this. Go. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. And if you can do the strum up, I'm doing a little bit of a swing here. Do it with me. 1, 2, if you're ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. If you're not really ready for that yet, then go through the whole challenge first. Learn this, enjoy it, and then come back in like a week or 2 once you've really worked on the song, and you'll see how all of a sudden things start to click that weren't really clicking before. By the way, if you're enjoying this content and you want more of it, join my Patreon fam. The Patreon fam helps support the channel, and it's just a place where we meet every week and we have live lessons via Zoom. I have you perform for me, and I can answer questions, give you feedback, and I teach things that I don't teach anywhere else just because it's an exclusive access. I also have play along videos in over 100, maybe reaching now to 100 pages of content that I've only shared with the Patreon fam. So if you want to support the channel and join a super cool family of ukulele players, join the Patreon fam. Alrighty, well, please like the video, and I'll see you for our final one. Yay! See you there. Ciao!